G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2013 Hilux in an SR V6 petrol in a tipper. So very hard to come by in a tipper. We don't get a lot of these like we used to, but really handy being a tipper, so perfect for a landscape gardener. Anything you do, log supplier, whatever it may be, really handy because it does have the extended frame on the trays as well, which I'll take you through for the video. But what we'll do is I normally take you through the exterior. What I'll do is I'll show you how the tipper works to start the ball rolling. Again, all these photos will be on our website. The good thing with this one, it is plumbed through the vehicle, so you'll see the remote. You can stay in the cabin and physically do it, so you do have your up and down functionality. So I'll press the up button and I'll show you the tipper goes up to start off with. So it's a nice quick tipper, single mast system as well. So I'll get it all the way physically up. And the best thing is you are inside the car when you're doing this. That makes it a little bit easier for you if you are by yourself, dumping mulch, dumping wood, whatever it may be. Really handy. So you'll see it is a single mast system. Again, all the photos, again, will be on the website to show you that single mast system or your hydraulic system again. But the best thing, it is plumbed through the vehicle. So you're not having to come out of the vehicle connected up to put the tipper up or tipper down. So again, to put the tipper down, again, just follow the button down for tip, and we'll bring that tipper down as well. So really easy to use. Again, once you're inside the ute as well, really handy. It is a Prestige bodies tray tipper that's been fitted, so not a cheap scenario to get these tippers fitted to these vehicles, but really handy for, say, a local gardener, local wood delivery man, whatever it may be. Very handy to have that as a tipper scenario as well. But I will show you how the tray sides drop down as we walk around the video also as well. So starting from the exterior of the vehicle, it does have an aftermarket Rhino roof rack fitted. So a little bit of water. We've had a little bit of rain this morning, so a little bit of excess water in the car. Vehicle does have the window tint, but as you'll see, for the age of the car and the kilometres as it travelled, is a really clean condition. I will confirm those Ks once I jump inside the car as well. Coming to the front guard area, really clean throughout. Your steel rim, a set of Kumo tyres fitted to the front, so good quality tyres fitted to the front also as well. To the front end of the vehicle, really clean on that nose section, or the bonnet area, and that front guard, front bonnet section, chrome grills in great order as well. Really clean, and up to your bonnet. Paint condition is phenomenal on that bonnet section as well. When it's a bit cloudy, it does help because you can see these marks pretty easy, but from what I can see so far, nothing stands out to point out for you scratch related, which is good. Coming to your front guard on that passenger side, again, really clean condition. Again, your Kumo tyres, your steel rim are in great order again. And then coming along to the front passenger door, being a single cab, there's only the two doors, so driver and passenger. Again, really clean again on that passenger front door. Coming to your tray area, again, Kumo tyres fitted to the rear, steel rim on the back section, really good as well. And this is where the tray becomes the best thing about it. So it is the higher mount. So normally a tray section would finish kind of here, but it does give you the higher clearance, so you can actually put a lot more stuff in that back section of the tray if you're going to tip it or carry it as well. You'll see there's a little lever each side. That one opens. I'll try and do this one-handed. It is a bit tricky. That one opens as well. That section there will open. So I'll come back again. Photos of this on the website as well. So then you're back to kind of your single tub tray scenario. And then worst case, if you want to get the sides down, that lever out. Sorry, it's a bit tricky with the camera in my hand, but we'll see how we go. And that section will then open. A bit tricky with one hand again. Get my fingers out of the way. And then that lower section will open to give you that side access to chuck stuff in the back. Worst case, shovel up some more mulch, whatever it may be. So really easy to use. And the good thing is it gives you that higher mount, higher clearance. We'll pop that back. Doing pretty well one-handed here. And we'll lock those back into position. I don't think I've ever been able to do that one-handed, but one-handed to make it a little bit easier. So as you see, tray order's in really good. Does have the mesh protection at the top section. So protect that back window if you are carrying logs or whatever it may be. But really, most of the time, it's really for dirt or mulch. Plants, if you're moving plants around, really handy as well. Tow bar on the rear of the car, again, that tray section, I've done photos of this on the website as well, but really, again, simple to open again. Lift that one up. Again, it's tricky one-handed. That one will open. Secondary one, I'll try and do it one-handed again. That one will open as well, so you've got that extra access again. And then lower bit again, that will open up as a side gate. to give you plenty of access to. So really handy if you're tipping stuff out. Again, those gates will fly all the way around, so you can actually bring them all the way around so they won't hit if you're tipping the tray out as well. So really handy if you are, again, like a landscape gardener, tooling, whatever it may be. You can open that section or close that section and still use it as a normal utility. We'll grab my finger there, then we'll shut that tray again. So it gives you a bit more access to that tray section as well, for shovels, bark, whatever it may be that you pop in the back. Again, tricky with one-handed. And same with the driver's side, that tray will open exactly the same as the passenger side, where both sides will come down. So the first side, that section will come down, and then worst case, a secondary section will come down as a separate movement if you want to do that as well. But continuing along the tray section, really clean again, great condition. The best thing is automatic and petrol. So petrol cab chassis are getting really hard to find now. Again, your Kumo tyres and your steel rim are in great condition, but most tradies now can't drive manual, unfortunately. So if you have a tradie that can't drive manual, this would be the perfect scenario for them. Inside the car does have front power windows, being the SR. It comes with power windows in the front. Also comes with cruise control, being the SR model as well. I'll jump inside the car. We'll just move this remote out of the way for the tipper. We'll shut that door just to get your correct kilometres, and we'll turn that radio down a bit as well. It's quite loud. So current kilometres as we speak is 152,223. So there are your current kilometres. Again, your cruise control is to your right hand side of your steering wheel. Over to your stereo system, just your AM, FM radio, your standard air conditioning and heating, so nice and basic system. And then just your automatic transmission, being the 4x2 automatic as well. But really it's all about the tipper. So if you're looking for a tipper, perfect for that landscape gardener, lawnmower man, whatever you do as a trade, as a scenario, wood delivery person, really handy. Delivering gas bottles, delivering water bottles, whatever it may be, this vehicle will be universal for yourself, being automatic and also with a tipper as well, really, really handy. So if you have any further questions in relation to this tipper or anything else we have here in stock at Your Next Car, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the dealership. Either speak to either Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you very well. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this video on our 2013 Hilux SR 4x2 automatic V6 in a tipper. Otherwise, have a great day.